Always fun times, you know, here at Border Coach. If it wasn't fun, we wouldn't be here, right? We'd be doing something else. Drunk Shakespeare, like one of the actors slammed like 5 shots and was being an actor drunk.
Red leather, yellow letter, red leather. Wait, red letter.
No, it was a hurry up, rush, and my phone rang 1,000 times.
You should have seen what he was doing. He was having sex with the back of the bus.
Idiots.
Kyle leaves me alone.
That's a loaded question.
What, if I'm happy here, or if Kyle leaves me alone?
Alan, is that true? They drive the opposite direction in NASCARs?
I didn't follow it that much.
You should have a full piano.
85 140?
Yeah. You go from there.
That makes me have to want to pee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Daddy's home.
You're late for filming. Get to hair and makeup.
Yes, sir.
Hurry up.
Okay.
Damn kids, right?
Damn kids.
Yeah. I got a lot of kids.
Yeah.
Bus drivers, truck drivers, tour managers.
Mm-hmm. Metal fabricators.
Beautiful. Like the Dua Lipa of windshield. Stop looking at my calendar, Chris.
Well, with my virgin eyes.
You can't peek it next month.
I may not be around next month.
I'm thankful for ZipRecruiter. You will not believe how fabulous my resume looks that they uploaded for me.
Buses broke down. What are we gonna do?
It's turkey time, boys.
We gotta go get Alec. Let's go get Alec.
Hey, your giblets are sticking out.
Alec! No! We got a problem! You got it under control? Need help there, Alan? Uh-oh, he dropped his phone.
It's in there now. Well, you don't turkey?
You're going turkey. Hey, Weaver. You ready?
Ready for what? Oh, Jesus. You know, I said good things about you guys.
What?
So we're supposed to toss you.
Yes! We're supposed to toss you.
This is not gonna go anywhere, guys.
Oh, here we go.
Now we're talking turkey.
You're gonna have to wish us luck, but the biggest problem is we have to get this out before dark because we don't have any lights. We gotta be legal. Ready?
Spinning them.
There's not enough weight back there.
I know.
Get on it.
Hit it.
Well, she rolls.
She goes.
She rolls.
Takes two people though.
Yeah.
Was that only one side?
Nothing compares. Right?